Hi guys, welcome to Golden Apprentice Aviation. In continuation to our A320 prep series, this is a fresh session on fire protection system. We hope you are enjoying this session. If there is any doubt or clarification is required, please comment or send us an email or anything else. If any suggestion is there, please get back to us. So let's get started with the fire protection system. In continuation, the first question it says, what is the crew action which arms the squib of the fire detection? So we have already discussed whenever crew presses the fire PV, the squib gets armed. So the answer is on pressing the fire PV, the squib gets armed. And just for the information, each squib is supplied with two power sources. So if one has some interruption, other is still available to you. Another question it is asking, if you are in flight, why there is a delay of 10 seconds in firing the first agent and there is no delay in firing the agent on ground. So that's basically because in air, for nasal ventilation and for engine speed to come down. On ground, there's no such issues like engine speed coming down. So if this happened on ground, there is no delay. But if in flight, there is roughly 10-second delay in firing the first agent, that's basically for ventilation purpose and for spooling down the engine speed. Answer is alpha is absolutely correct, which says to allow nasal ventilation and cooling down the engine speed. Moving forward, should you lose both loop or fire detection unit, fire detection is no longer available for the respective engine. So what is trying to say, if your loop alpha, loop bravo, both are failed, or the fire detection unit itself has failed, will you lose the fire detection itself on that particular engine? So of course, if both loops has been failed, then there will not, or either the system fire detection unit, which is basically handling these two loops, itself has failed, then also you will not have fire warning or fire warning for that particular engine. So answer is, of course, it is true. If you lose any of that, you will not have fire detection. Next question is related to APU fire. So what it is trying to say, if APU is turned on using battery power, will the fire detection be available for APU? Of course, even if you are starting the APU on battery, fire detection system will be available for APU. Next question about APU. If there is a fire detected on APU on ground, what can be done to extinguish the fire? So, if you know, APU has something called emergency shutdown. So, in case if system detects or APU fire detection system detects APU fire on the ground, it will automatically shut down the engine and it will discharge the fire extinguisher for APU automatically without any crew action. That is only on ground, and it is called emergency shutdown due to APU fire on ground.